Guys, today I'm going to be making jam slime. So you'll be needing your PVA glue, your jam jar, your measuring cups and spoons, and your borax. And you'll also be needing some shaving cream, as this is fluffy slime. And you also will be needing cornstarch. Let's get on with the video. Your cup of glue, voila. Then you want to go ahead and add this to the bowl. Then you want to get your shaving cream and put the same. You want to have the same amount of shaving cream as you have glue. Now you want to go ahead and spoon that into your bowl. You want to mix it. You want to get your cornstarch and have a teaspoon of it to mix that in. I'm going to put my food colour in, and since it is strawberry jam, I'm going to add some red food colour. So that was the best colour I could get since I didn't really have that much red, so it's going to be more of a pinky slime. Add my borax. Right, so after that's all kneaded in and it's all nice and slimy, you want to get your jam jar and you want to put the slime in there.